Dichondra, also known as Ponysfoot or Kidneyweed, can be an attractive plant to grow in a planter or to use as ground cover, but many homeowners see it as an invasive weed that's tough to get rid of. Dichondra could spread into places where it's undesired, or it could pop up in an unblemished lawn. Because Dichondra is a perennial and spreads through a series of runners and tubers, it's very difficult to remove by hand. So in this video, we'll show you how to identify and get rid of Dichondra in your turf so your lawn can remain lush and weed-free. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about Dichondra, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Dichondra is a low-growing weed, forming mats between 1.5 and 3 inches tall, and grows in bunches. The leaves look similar to miniature lily pads and are shaped somewhat like horseshoes or kidney beans, hence the nicknames Ponysfoot and Kidneyweed. The leaves grow parallel to the soil, and they grow about 1 inch in diameter. Dichondra can easily be confused for another similar plant, dollarweed. Both plants are perennials that grow mats of leaves, however, there are ways to tell the two apart. First, note the leaf shapes. Dichondra leaves feature a cusp and are more kidney-shaped, while dollarweed leaves are more round, like a silver dollar. Second, note where the stem meets the rest of the leaf. In Dichondra, the stem meets the leaf at the edge of the leaf where the cusp is. In dollarweed, the stem meets the leaf at the center of the leaf. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Dichondra is a warm season perennial that germinates in small bunches 1 to 2 weeks after the weather warms up for spring. The weed thrives in shaded, moist areas of the lawn, so inspect the parts of your lawn that are exceptionally shaded during the day, like below eaves or tree shade. Once Dichondra has been established, it can spread to areas where the turf is weak or thin. Eventually, it can overtake the native turf, so it's important to treat this weed as soon as you spot it. Be on the lookout for mats of the weed's flat leaves. After identifying your pest and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To get rid of Dichondra, you'll need to use a post-emergent herbicide like Celsius WG, and it's best to treat while the weeds are still young. Celsius WG delivers excellent performance on warm season grasses and removes a wide variety of annual and perennial weeds. This product isn't just great for treating Dichondra, but it can also be used to treat commonly occurring weeds like crabgrass, dandelion, dollarweed, and Dallas grass, so it's great to have on hand when any of these sprout up. Celsius WG comes in the form of wettable granules that must be dissolved in water before application. Since you're spot treating Dichondra, use the application rate of 0.085 ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. In metric, this is 2.4 grams. We recommend you mix the amount of product per 1,000 square feet in 1 gallon of solution. To ensure the product you spray sticks to the plant surface, we also recommend you use a surfactant in your pesticide mix, like Alligare 90 Surfactant Wetting Agent. Alligare 90 is a non-ionic, low-foam surfactant used to help pesticides spread evenly on surface areas for maximum results. Just use 0.5 ounces for 1 gallon of spray solution. To mix, add half the water into the pump sprayer, add your measured amount of product and surfactant, then add the remaining half of the water and close the sprayer. Shake the sprayer to agitate and pump to produce a low-pressure spray. With low pressure, spray weeds directly and use a fan setting to thoroughly coat the leaves' surface. Spray the weed to the point of wet and not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. You may need to make a follow-up application to get full control of your Dichondra problem. If weeds are showing signs of recovery, make a second application 2 to 4 weeks after the initial treatment. Do not exceed the maximum annual rate of 7.4 ounces or 210 grams of product per acre per year. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to make sure it can't happen. The best way to keep Dichondra from growing in your lawn is by maintaining proper lawn health. By strengthening your turf grass and keeping up with maintenance, you'll choke out weeds and give them little opportunity to grow. Since Dichondra thrives in areas with high moisture, your first step is to improve your lawn's air circulation and water evaporation. Rake and dethatch your lawn to improve aeration and encourage proper water retention. Trim back any overhanging tree branches to reduce shade and increase evaporation rates. Be sure to mow your lawn to the proper height and adjust your mower so that your grass will come out 3 to 4 inches tall. Tall grass encourages deeper root growth and prevents weeds from receiving some much-needed sunlight. In addition to improving your lawn's water retention, you'll also need to water it properly. Your lawn will need 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, including rainfall. Water your lawn once a week in the morning rather than a little every day. If there's rain in the week's forecast, go ahead and let Mother Nature do the work. Finally, keep up with a proper fertilizing schedule. By keeping nitrogen levels stable and laying fertilizers high in potassium, you'll maintain strong turf grass and suppress other weeds from growing. Dichondra is difficult to get rid of once it's been established, but there are ways to control a weed invasion that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop Dichondra from growing in your lawn, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.